Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Mightytext on your Android phone and the desktop extension. Do that first so devices can talk. Once installed, open the phone app and enable SMS, contacts, notifications, and battery optimization exclusion so messages sync constantly. Sign in with your Google account on both phone and desktop and accept the pairing request. Make sure to confirm the code that appears. This immediate setup prevents later connection problems and gets you ready to send from desktop. Once done pairing, open Mightytext in your browser and allow clipboard and notification access when prompted so messages and attachments flow smoothly. You compose by clicking New, typing or pasting text, adding photos or files, selecting recipients, and choosing Send or Schedule. Scheduling helps when you want delayed delivery. Make sure to use the search bar, filters, and threaded view to find contacts and pass texts quickly, because organized threads save time and reduce duplicate messages. To finish, customize signatures, auto-replies, notification sounds, and spam filters so Mightytext behaves the way you prefer. These settings streamline daily use. If messages stop syncing, make sure the phone has a stable network, permissions are intact, and battery optimization hasn't suspended the app. When problems persist, repair the devices, restart the phone and browser, or clear the Mightytext app cache. Re-signing into your Google account is a last resort fix. This one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.